If you are a video editor or you are a content creator that edit his or her video by yourself, then you will surely love this website. The name of this website is called myinstance.com, and this website has every trendy sound you might want to use in your edit. Let me play some of them for you.
I don't want peace. I want problems always. No.
As you can see, there are a lot of them, and if you look up here, you can see trending in Nigeria. So this website has every sound that is trending in Nigeria right now that you can use in your edit. And as you can see, there are plenty, it's plenty. So I know you want to thank me, but follow me for more videos like this one first, and share this video. Thank you.